You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through likely questions people ask around, like, can you borrow money from the bank? Yes, you can borrow money from the bank through different type of loans depending on your need and the credit worthiness. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide on how you can borrow money and where to borrow money from the bank. And make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And also hit the subscribe buttons because that actually helps me out. So let's get started. So where's to borrow money from the bank? The first way is to borrow money using a personal loan. So borrow a fixed amount and repay in monthly installment, and also require good credit, which is some banks allows bad credit loans. And also interest rates varies typically between 60% to 30%, and also best for emergencies, debt consolidations, and major expenses. And here's another way, which is through credit card cash advance. Withdraw cash using your credit card's fees applied, and also high interest rate between often 20% plus, it depends, and also repays a part of your credit card balance, and best for quick and small cash need but expensive. And here is how to apply for a loan from a bank. So the first is to check your credit score. Higher scores gets better rate, and also compare loans option, choose the best type for your need, and also gather documents, for example your ID, income proof, pay stubs, and credit history, and also apply online or at a branch. Approval may take an hours to go or an hours to a day before you can finally get an approval. Then also receive fund if approved, if money is deposited to your account. And that's how you can simply borrow money from